look into my eyes and listen to me very carefully. Don't you ever come back in this office talking about the budget again. Now get out.
Good afternoon. We have taken the world domination in oil, and you've done an excellent job.
Thanks, boss.
The oil spill in the Gulf was nothing to what we have planned for the future.
What about the air? Let's charge for the air.
Excellent idea. Would never have thought of it myself. We have to look at where we've gone. We have bribed governments from the small towns in Alaska to Zimbabwe. We have really done an outstanding job. Thank you. By the way, can you take our orders?
Oh yes, of course. What would you like?
I'd like to have baby seal. Anyone else?
Yeah, let's get some of that fried baby seal strips and don't they got some tiger shock or something like that?
Well, we have tiger tongue.
Tiger tongue, let's get the tiger tongue then, man.
Would you like some side order of chimpanzee chitlins?
Yeah, I'll take some of those. I'll get right on it.
And make it snappy. She's such a good helper.
Oh my goodness. I've got to call EPA.
I am trying to go to lunch. What do you want? What? Yeah. Oh my goodness. That is the most antisocial, money-grubbing, environmentally dysfunctional thing I've ever heard. Thanks for the tip. I'm on it right now. Gee, Verde, how are you going to get us out of this one? Our budgets are going down the tube. They won't allow for this. I need somebody that can take on this type of project. I got the right person. Let me call her right now.
Verde. Don't tell me that. I'm on my way.
Look here. Doctor for the neck, knees, and my back. It's about time you get a new one. Alright? Meet you there. I'm taking the bus.
Here are the keys to world domination.
Boss, these are the restroom keys.
My bad. Those are the keys to world domination.
All right.
Mother
Nature.
Verde.
G Verde, what do you want? Whip-de-doo. You saved the world. Good job.